Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app problem. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you'll enter to the window of Netflix. Then this page, you click on first stop and you click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have on Netflix. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.